welcome back. I'm Caleb11, and we're watching another anime-related tier list from Shonen Showdown. Please give me and him a like if you like this video and his video, and subscribe to both our channels if you like mine or his.
At DreamCon 2023 in Texas, and you know what time it is. We are doing side character anime tier list today. Let's get it. So you're the first one in the tier list.
Side characters? All right.
So yeah, you're gonna place a new one right here.
All right, let's see it.
Oh, you got Kageyama from Haikyuu.
Absolutely. I can't. Solid A.
A for Kageyama. All right, this is a side character anime tier list. You get to place a new character, or you can change one that's on the board already. Which you want to do?
New character.
New character? All right, here, pick from this bag. Okay. You can't see it though.
No.
Who'd you get?
Woo, Kamina. You know where this goes. Okay.
Oh, hey! Okay. Who'd you get? PA from Yu Yu Hakusho. Come on now, be respectful. Yeah!
I'm gonna get one new, because these are actually, they did a good job. I'm not even gonna act like they did. I'm gonna dig in here. Let's see what we get.
Let's go. Who you get?
Oh, Shadow! Oh, Shadow!
Oh, yeah! Oh, wait, oh!
There you go. We put him in the first spot. In the first spot of S tier.
Yeah.
You gotta do it.
Hey, Shadow is S.
I'm gonna take one from the bag.
You better put him right.
Hey.
And that's logic. Okay.
Y'all got Vegeta. Best Deuteragonist, best side character shown in anime history.
Oh, you changed one? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. What you doing with Shadow, bro? Oh, only one. You can only move one, my boy.
Hold up. You ain't got it explained.
No, Vegeta is the greatest Deuteragonist to do it in shonen anime. Sonic ain't that good of a protagonist to have a Deuteragonist too.
All those Sonic, bro, got copies from this. I'm gonna take one.
Who'd you get? Yeah! Okay. Yeah.
Did I ask anybody?
All that nigga does is hit.
Hell no! Put that nigga in deep!
This is kind of cold, but at the same time, I don't know.
Okay.
Nasa gets up, who's right there. This
You can change him. Go ahead.
he's 18 for real.
There you go. All right. There you go.
My boy name. Put some respect on my boy name.
Y'all put Vegeta in S, but that nigga ain't even touch his own MC.
EA don't take no L's. This don't take no L's. This a real ass. So we switch these. Cause you know a real ass. You know a real ass.
Bro, think about this. Out of every single, why they always make Vegeta evil? Cause that nigga can't do shit unless he evil. That's what I'm saying.
Only one.
Shadow is the best nigga alive.
Okay. All right.
Vegeta in general or Majin Vegeta?
Oh, Vegeta in general.
No character has more character development than Vegeta. He's as... I'm changing it back.
Alright, we step.
Oh, you gotta show him. Reggie. Oh. Oh my God.
The Renji disrespect is crazy.
Kilowatt. S.
Who wanna fight me on this?
Yeah, I'm not fighting you.
See, I don't like Vegeta up there. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna have to. He died and rose from the dead on the third day on Sonic Heroes, bro.
Who you get? Oh yeah, Gojo. Okay. All right, Gojo A tier. Yeah.
I'm sorry, I love Killua, but I might have to take it out real quick. Switch with Gojo.
No, fuck no. Gojo needs to be in D tier, bro.
You're tripping.
Killua and D tier. Yeah, you're tripping.
All right, so this is the side character anime tier list. You can either place a new one from this bag or change one that's on the board already. Let me see what you're doing.
No.
Oh my God.
You're wrong.
Wait, what's going on?
Wait, he did two? He was a slave, bruh. He's an S?
Oh, you don't like Alphonse? Go ahead, go ahead. Oh.
No.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, he's not, no.
That's what we doing, you know?
Yes,
Yes!
All random, only one. Who'd you get? Oh, Kawaki? Okay. Okay. Yeah, you can either place a new one on the board from this bag, or you can change one that's on the board already. Okay, go ahead. Sasuke, you know what to do. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Probably my favorite character in Naruto.
Yeah. Who'd you get?
I don't know who this is.
It's from Ranking of Kings.
I don't know who this is. But I'm listening to the crowd.
Okay. All right. All right. I'm not mad. You want to grab a new one, or you can change one on the board? You want to grab a new one? Go ahead. Who'd you get? That's Urza from Fairy Tail.
Everyone's agreeing with Steve. I'm gonna put it like in the second.
Okay. All right. So, oh, you changing one? Sasuke? Sasuke S? You want a new one? Inosuke? Yeah. Come on, Inosuke. Come on now. Come on. Oh. Hey.
Not like
Oh. Okay. Oh, you know what to do. You know what to do. Wait, what? Yo, Norman from Promised Neverland. Norman from Promised Neverland. F?
Point Vegeta down in D.
It's getting crazy, man.
Man is the king.
Oh, hey, you doing the right thing.
Switch him up.
You doing the right thing. Oh, you looking at the S though, Finn. Finn, I don't know who.
Get that pet out of here, man.
Oh!
Hey, you gotta go down.
So we got. Oh. Oh, you guys. All right. All right. You guys are the. All right. Okay. Listen. Oh, you think you got roller skates? Look at, hey, let's try to run. Oh, Bakugo? Bakugo?
He's anybody to me, bro. He's a bot. He's a bot.
Oh, detail?
He's a bot. He's a bot. I'm sorry.
All right. Uh-oh. Levi. Levi. Yeah. You gotta do that. Oh.
No.
Wait, who? Oh.
At least I put him at A, but he's not an S. He's not an S.
Who you got? Oh, man. The lowest spot. Doesn't like the next spot. Oh. Oh, somebody don't like high Q. That's like, okay, Simba A. Oh.
Yeah, I did it, yeah.
Oh.
Grab this man right here. We'll put him right here.
Okay. Bakugo in A? Okay. Mister.
You won't come out of nowhere and say, I need to say this to this man at his lowest time possible, bro.
Yo, I've been seeing Shadow moving the most. Shadow's been getting a lot of love. Sasuke's obviously in S. This is so disrespectful. Norman needs to move up higher. I don't care what anybody has to say. But as long as Sinbad's in A, you got Vegeta in S. I'm not too mad. A lot of people are sleeping on Kage. I'm not one of them. But we gonna go finish this board up, man. Let's go do it. All right, Mark. We got the side anime character tier list. You can either change
Anime character tier list?
Yeah, you can either change one that's on the board or place a new one from this bag right here.
Change what's on the board?
You can change one or place a new one. This is for all of DreamCon. This is gonna be DreamCon's tier list. So, oh, Levi.
Yes.
Hey. Only one. Only one. Oh, you slapping him? Oh wait. Oh damn. Oh, he doing it. Oh. Yo. Only one. You good? You good? No, hey. You good?
You can do
No, but I see what you're working with though. Man, that's there we go, man.
He carries like half of the sacrifice.
Exactly.
I don't know, Killer One.
Cool. We're cool.
Whoever next on the board, change it.
Hold on.
Why the
is Reggie right down here?
Oh,
Who did this?
You can change him.
I don't know. I kind of want to put Killua at C. I respect Killua. That's my dog. But I don't think he's an A-lit. I don't think he's an A-tier dog. I'm sorry, Killua. You're my governor, but I got a picture at C, man. I got a picture at C.
Nah, his hairline is crazy.
Oh, wait, whoa. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yo. Yo.
My guy.
Yo.
You know what his name is?
KB_opinions on TikTok. I cannot let them go with this right here.
Oh, my gosh. Oh. Wow.
They not gonna like that.
Go.
How y'all feel about that?
Oh, okay. Killua. Oh.
That's my
there
guy.
it is.
That's my guy.
Well, I want to swap Sasuke with like Bakugo to make some real sense.
Reggie from Bleach?
I'm not gonna say he's like B or nothing. I'm gonna give him a D+. Cause I can't do that.
It's getting crazy out here, man. So we got the side characters and anime tier list. So you can either place a new one from this bag right here, or you can change one that's on the board already. Who you get?
I think I
Rocky Buck from Chainsaw Man.
She's not up with them, so she gotta be like, probably like right here. Yeah, right here. I don't care. Them two get bad on their boy. That's That's right there is fine.
Why is he in F tier, bro? I'm not feeling that. I'm not feeling that.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I don't know why they did Norman like that. You could swap one. You could swap it. Yeah. You know skate. Oh, yeah.
There's some real disrespect going on over here, man. I don't know who did this.
Yo.
I don't know who did this. I can't really argue with this top S tier, so I just go ahead and just give the dude respect.
Okay. Yeah.
Now see, Bakugo, he's definitely needs to move people go. For y'all who read the manga,
Okay. Bakugo A tier? Bakugo A tier? All right, so you could either change one that's on the board already or place a new one from this bag.
I want to pick one from the bag.
Who'd you get? Oh, Mikey? Tokyo Avengers? Come on, Mikey.
Mikey's the main character.
You pulling back?
Man woke up and chose violence.
All right, you got to place a new one. You're not gonna save Zoro?
Niggas gonna get mad. Let's talk our shit, then.
Urza's ass. He said Urza's ass.
This pirate, you don't deserve that, all right? You know what?
All right, so you took Zoro out?
I ain't gonna move nobody.
Okay. Look, we got Eda and Eddie.
Wait, what? I'm trying, guys. I'm gonna check it.
Yo, you suck. Oh, Reagan from Mob Psycho. Reagan from Mob Psycho. What we doing? Oh, okay.
I don't remember him. He's out.
I mean,
What is going on?
yo, the F-Boys is crazy.
There's a lot wrong with this list right now. I'm gonna let it be known. But I can only make one change. Loki,
Oh, yep.
Don't hate me for this one. Vegeta has never won a single one in his life.
Change one? Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay.
That's a swap. That's fair. That's a legal play.
Oh, you change it?
There we go. There we go.
This swap one right here.
Okay, that's fine.
He needs to move up to the top in my opinion.
You can swap them. Only one. All right, we got Shadow, man. Oh, yo, look at the feast, though. The Shadow feast? Yeah. Okay. The people say you S tier, man. How you feel?
I know for sure that's the right answer. So that's that ain't going nowhere. That ain't going nowhere.
Where you at? Where you at? Arthur from Fire Force.
The only Arthur I acknowledge, he got a library card, bro. So I'm slapping him.
Oh!
I don't know if he's
Listen, this is DreamCon's tier list. This is DreamCon's tier list. I have nothing to do with this. Oh! Hey! This is DreamCon's tier list, man. Side characters and anime.
It's not me. This is DreamCon.
How y'all feel about
Okay.
I mess with that.
Okay.
Zoro top. Zoro
Okay.
best side character man.
Oh.
He does so much for
We'll give you Samurai Champloo. What we doing? Oh. It's Kagami from Kuroko. Okay. He's out the way. Okay. Okay. Okay, Gojo moving.
She's looking towards Zoro. And not move Zoro.
I won't do y'all all dirty, but like, come on now. Y'all can't do Gojo.
quick, I'm going quick.
All right. Oh. Oh. Hold up. Alphonse is moving. Okay. Oh.
I don't agree with that. I respect the move.
Alphonse over Sasuke.
Just one.
Oh. 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 Okay. Okay. Gojo's an S.
I know all y'all want to do episodes. Stop playing.
All right. Whoa, Bucciarati. Bruno Bucciarati. Come on now. Come on.
Man chose violence. There's another spot
Or you
open
can change
in
one on
that
the board.
tier. You can move something. Man chose violence.
Find 7 deadly sins, man. What you doing? Oh. Oh. Wait, what? Yo, Norman's getting disrespected today, man. Oh. Let's go.
That dude is just there to cause hate.
What's the issue? What's the issue? Okay.
He's at least 8.
He's an ace. That first one is his. She
Hold
just
on,
won.
Okay, Sasuke. Hey, only one.
Who's this guy?
That's Alphonse. Alphonse. Hey, you gotta know Alphonse.
You do Sinbad because he's tough. Oh yeah, he's tough.
Okay.
He's tough.
All right, Sinbad.
This way.
I'm switching this because he should be here. You should be here.
Because it's for Zoro, I'll allow it.
Yeah. Oh, Janos, One Punch Man. Janos. Come on. Come on. That's tough.
Bro, y'all might get me for this, bro, but like, y'all might get me for this. I fuck with it.
Respect that guy.
Oh. Seto Kaiba. Be respectful. Be respectful. Oh! Wait, what? Oh, man. I mean, listen, I see what you're saying. Side characters in anime.
You better move up, Shadow.
Zenitsu?
As a character, I feel like she's not even that great for her. I gotta put it out there.
Hey.
Everybody can argue with their mom, but not me. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. Get out of here. And argue with your mom.
That's the Reagan. For Mob needs it. But I feel like Shadow didn't really do anything.
Oh, no. Oh, Shadow? Oh.
But I think Master Reagan deserves a modest spot.
Okay. So you can move one. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait. You gotta swap him. There's not enough spots.
I ain't gonna lie.
Oh. Thank you.
That's solid.
Oh. Oh. Zenitsu?
Why is Bakugo still at C? Just move that
I don't know about you.
Underrated.
Oh.
Underrated.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, what are you doing? Oh my God!
Go ahead. There it is.
Levi right there.
You guys pray about
Oh. Wait, what? Wait, what?
I'm watching, so I can't comment too much. Oh, Urza.
Woo. Woo.
Hey, listen, man. I don't know. Sasuke
Only one. Okay. Yes. Seto Kaiba back up. Hey. Okay.
Oh my God!
Yeah, they put him in. Yeah, Vegeta and B. Okay. All right.
My parents never really actually won the fight either. So he needs to be off. He holds his team down. All his friends eat. They never have to worry. He's gonna come save his team. His friends nearly died. I feel like he's never
Mikey S. And I'm. Hey, this is what DreamCon 2023 came up with for the side characters anime tier.
Okay, so just a quick rundown. I don't know who the fuck the second slot of S is. I would move him down just because I don't know if they kill all there. Kaiba's probably too high. Kage, it's so hard because it's limited spots. I think Kageyama, author, and I don't know. It's so hard. It's so hard. I don't know, like the Chainsaw Man one. Oh, I think Urza's too high. I think there's so many good characters on this. I think Urza's just too high. I think Mob Sidekicks too high too. The JoJo one's definitely too high. I think you could put like Kageyama, Arthur, and Kage in those spots, in those three and B. I'd say Urza probably goes a D though, a C though, not D. Man, this is so tough. I actually like so many of these characters. Is Mikey an S tier is the real question. Because you could say you could move Mikey down to like C, move one of the C's down. As long as it's not ba or Does that bother you, they're at least a C, if not higher. Move Mikey to a C somewhere on that row. And then move. Who would I move to S? Killua, or maybe even Kage. Honestly, I love Kage. Kage is goated, man. So you want to make any more comments?
Fearless, y'all agree with this?
No.
Half and half. Half and half? Listen, you guys let me know down in the comment section below whether you agree with this or disagree.
I personally think I agree with a lot of it. Kaiba's too high. Kaiba's too high. Alphonse is probably too high. Spike's Spiegels. I think that's Spike Spiegel. I don't know. Whoever that is. No, Spike Spiegel's the main character. That Trigun Cowboy Bebop looking ass is too high. Probably. I haven't seen him all the way through. I have seen Cowboy Bebop, just not all the way through. I've seen like 80% of it. He's probably too high though. Kaiba's too high. Kaiba's a shit main character though. He's like flat as fuck. You could probably go into F5, probably wouldn't blink. And then that opens up two good spots in A, man. Two solid spots. Probably move Mikey to A, Kage or Killua to S. The other one either stays or goes to A. Move up Arthur and Kageyama. Based on how many people like him, Shao can probably go B in that JoJo ass spot. A few minor changes, like 5. I think it's in a really good spot. But that means overall, it's pretty decent in my opinion. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you agree or disagree with my opinions and reactions down below. And comment on the people who chose violence when they woke up the morning of this DreamCon. Later. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video and have a great evening, day, or night. Please leave a subscribe if you want to see more, and leave a like if you like the video. Should be more videos on the screen that you may enjoy. Have fun. Bye.